Good morning, student. Welcome back in the next video bio. Students, you know that in second term you have chapter number 7, that is health and hygiene, and we will study about these topics. In previous topic I told you about what is health. According to WHO, World Health Organization, the health is defined as the complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of the disease or infirmity. So to maintain the health, we need the balanced diet, personal cleanliness and the public sanitation or community hygiene. Sanitation means cleanliness, means personal, as well as we need the public sanitation also. Means our surroundings should be neat and clean. Then what is hygiene? The term hygiene means a practice to keep the body and the surrounding healthy and clean to safeguard the body from the disease. If we are clean but our surrounding is unclean, then also we cannot be healthy, because if surroundings are unclean, different organisms or the germs grow on them and cause disease to us only. Then students, now we will discuss about the diseases. There are basically two types of diseases. One is communicable diseases and second one is the non-communicable diseases. Beta, basically communicable diseases are the diseases which can communicate from one unhealthy person to the healthy person, or one diseased person to the one healthy person. And non-communicable are the disease which cannot be transferred from one person to another. Now what is disease? A disease is a disturbed state of the body. It impairs the body functions and associated with specific symptoms. A disease can be in any part of the body and can be due to external or the internal factors. Means disease can be caused through the internal factors, means we have scarcity or we have lack of some vitamins, then also we can get disease. Or external factors such as some germs can cause diseases in us. Now types of disease, I already told there are two types of disease: communicable disease and the non-communicable diseases. What are the communicable diseases? These are the disease which are infectious, means from one person to spread from one person to another. And non-communicable diseases are non-infectious disease. Now we will differentiate both of them. So first of all we will discuss about the communicable diseases. Disease that can spread from a diseased person to a healthy person, but non-communicable disease cannot spread from a diseased person to a healthy person. Next, communicable disease can be transmitted through air, water, food, contact and insects. And non-communicable cannot be transmitted through air, water, food and contact. Students, nowadays, you know, we are fighting with the pandemic corona, and it is a communicable disease, which because it can communicate or it can be transmitted from one diseased person to the another person through air or contact. Next, the communicable disease caused by the pathogens. Pathogens are the germs which actually not suffered from the disease, but they carry the infection from one person to another. Means bacteria themselves cannot have the disease, but they can carry the disease from one person to another. So, example of the pathogens are bacteria, viruses, protozoans and the worms. And when we talk about the non-communicable disease, they can be caused by malfunction of the organ, means our body organs cannot work properly, or the deficiencies such as the deficiency of vitamins, carbohydrates, and causes through the allergies also, or cancer. Then disease caused by virus. So virus also cause the disease such as common cold, flu, AIDS, dengue, chikungunya or corona also you can add in this. Then disease caused by bacteria, cholera, tuberculosis, which is also known as the TB, diarrhea and the typhoid. Then diseases caused by the protozoans, malaria, amoebic dysentery. Disease caused by the worms are roundworms and the tapeworms, because they generally lives inside the alimentary canal or our stomach. Then the disease caused by malfunctioning of the organs like kidney, heart, liver, etc. Then deficiencies are beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter, diabetes, etc. Beriberi, scurvy and rickets generally caused due to the deficiency of the vitamins. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of the iodine, and diabetes caused due to the malfunctioning of the pancreas means insulin is a hormone which is not secreted by the body, which digests the sugar in our body. So due to the increased level of sugar, the person can be diabetic. And allergens such as hypersensitive to the substance, such as some are allergens to the pollen grains, some are allergens to the dust, some are allergens to the sunlight also, and other disease such as cancer or hypertension. Hypertension is also known as the high BP. Prevention and control of non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are of various types. Some of these can be controlled or prevented, while for many there is no specific prevention or control. The deficiency disease and disease like high blood pressure and diabetes etc. can be prevented by taking care of health and changing lifestyle, exercise, adequate sleep and healthy food. Such as if you have high blood pressure, you should not eat the oily food. If you are diabetic, you should reduce the sugar content in your food. However, there is no known prevention for cancer and disease of body organs.